He didn't worship the God his parents believed in. He prayed to another deity. Does deity mean man, doctor, people, or God? This sentence uses clues of information. The sentence tells us that his parents believed in one God and he prayed to another. The word another in this case indicates to us that whatever deity means, it has already been mentioned in the sentence. In this case, his parents worship one God, and he prays to another deity. From here we see deity must mean God. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Man, doctor, and people all fall under mortals or humans, and therefore cannot be gods. God, of course, is exactly what we're looking for, and therefore we can mark it as our final answer.